Hello and welcome to today's financial news, brought to you by FX, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Intel's stock price rose by 5.5% on Wednesday, closing at $20.59, driven by optimism over potential U.S.-China trade tariff reductions and reports of a 20% workforce reduction to cut costs. The Nikkei index traded above $35,000 on Thursday, with Japanese shares rising for the second straight session and tracking Wall Street higher. Gold rose toward $3,350 per ounce, following a two-day decline, as lingering uncertainty over the U.S.-China trade war sustained demand for the safe haven asset. The Swiss franc weakened to near 0.83 per USD this Thursday, as traders rushed back into the dollar, encouraged by easing concerns about the Federal Reserve's independence. Ether's price surged by 13% in the past few days, reaching $1,770, largely due to a $4 billion increase in open interest, signaling strong investor confidence and anticipation of a potential breakout. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for April, following 86.7 in March. At 12:30 p.m., the durable goods orders in the U.S. are expected to increase, after reaching 0.9% in February. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the existing home sales of March, following 4.2% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the retail sales for March, following 1% in February. At 6:45 a.m., the Business Confidence Index in France is expected to increase, after reaching 96 in March. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index of April, following 57 in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.